I'm going to make a DIY camera monopod, a camera base, if you will. I recently moved continents and left behind the old version of this monopod with the majority of my tools. And that brings me on to the first issue of not having tools, which I solved by buying this little thing. I bought this first tool of mine for $45. It's a pretty, well, average table saw, and I need to make a sled for it. So I'll quickly crack onto a table saw sled and then start making the camera base. This is by no means perfect. First of all, the good angle only sits on the left-hand side of this sled. Moves a bit, and it needs a bit more than CA glue on the runner, but I'll get that done in the future. Let's get into making the camera base. I wanted to finish the project that evening, and I tried to use screws off camera in order to stabilize this structure. As you can see, I didn't succeed as I didn't have the right length of screws. I borrowed a 23 gauge brad nailer from a friend to get the job done. In my previous version of the pod, I used screws before gluing down the thin plywood strips. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this. It sure feels nice to get back into making again. And check out another one of my videos over here, and I'll see you in the next one.